Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at another watch on the channel. It's been a while since I had a Samsung Galaxy Watch, so this is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Not the Watch 6 Classic, the regular Watch 6 44mm. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, the regular version, 44mm. Now, I did actually pick this up. A lot of people have been asking me, why didn't I get the Classic? Well, when the pre-orders went live, I kind of rushed through it, and I really didn't even see the Classic, but I do actually still have my TicWatch Pro 5, so I really don't need another bezel, even though this one does not move, but battery life on this is amazing. I do have an unboxing on the channel when it comes to that. So I did actually pick up the Galaxy Watch 6 regular Bluetooth version. If you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself. I know it's a little bit blown out, but you guys can figure it out. This is the Bluetooth model. I can pop this baby open just like so. 1, 2. Now, the last watch that I actually wore from Samsung, on a daily basis, was the Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier. That was one of my favorite watches of all time. Alright, so here we go. It looks like it says, do not accept if the seal is broken. Not sure what that's about. You guys can let me know down in the comments. So this is the band that I actually picked. I'm really not a fan of any type of band that has like the rubber silicone, just like the TicWatch, but this is the only band that I've actually used so far, so I did actually go with the Fabry brand. So if you guys do pick another band, it will be in its place right there. Let's pop this out. Let's see what we have in here. You have our quick start guide. So I think the price difference is about $50 to $100 between this and the Classic. So if you guys don't know about the Classic has a bezel, and here's your charging. Basically has a bezel just like this, and it rotates and has a clicking sound. But this is a regular one, and I did go with the silver size just like that. Very, very nice. And I still have my Pixel watch as well, so we can compare the sizes to that one and to the TicWatch Pro 5. Very, very similar size. As you can see from there, a nice glossy finish on that side. So we have these two buttons on the right hand side, and we can check that out. And they should be running Android Wear, of course. Let's see if we could pop this out somehow. So it looks like this one also has a sticker here. So it's pretty cool how they separated the boxes and they didn't ship them in separate containers. I can't believe I just dropped that. Alright, so let's just pop that open while this loads up. Samsung Galaxy Watch, secured by Knox. Man, I remember the first time Knox came out, everybody was going insane about that. Alright, so here's the band that I picked, fabric. Not sure the color, but I have the medium large 20mm, as you can see. So let's just pop that out. And we have welcome right on there. And this is the load up Galaxy Watch 6. So let's see how we install this band. Looks very similar to the one from Apple. Probably just like so, like this. Fit it on. Alright, so you have these little needles that you have to fit in, little pins. Very similar to old school watches from back in the day. We'll be right back, and let me load this on. Alright guys, so how you install this is you do have these little push buttons right there, and you just have to push it on, just like that, and then it makes the part small. Now it's just about having to know how to install this one, since it's a little bit different, and it doesn't really tell you which one is front and which one is back. Right, so we're gonna go through the whole testing phase together. But as far as the watch, it looks really, really premium, very premium. Maybe not the best band for this color because it looks really, really premium, and that band is more like for comfort than for style. So let me just pop this out. All right, let's pop this in. Very similar to the one from Apple. Just go like that, and as you can see, I do have my tan from wearing a watch. That's crazy. And it looks like it sticks pretty well, and that's what it looks like. Really, really sharp. Galaxy Watch 6. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Alright guys, so we are now back. So I did actually have to set up my Z Flip 5 because it wasn't set up yet, and then I had to update the Wearables app. The Galaxy Wearable app, and now we're finally all set up, and I did have to do another update on top of that update, so we should be ready to go. It's still waiting to pair up. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Alright, so let's pop this open. Allow your Galaxy Watch 6 manager to access your phone, allow notifications, all that good stuff. Sign away everything. If you want to do the automatic updates, you can do that. Now we have another update. Something went wrong. Okay, pair, can connect to Bluetooth. Something's going on here. Oh, so I have to press the button. Guess I should have did that when it connected. Now it's confused. All right, let's try this back up again. All right, now it's confused. Let's try this one more time. Just agree to everything. I guess they want you to do everything. So now it's fully set up. Now it's doing another update. It did have a 147 megabyte update before this one, so let's do that. And we'll be right back. All right, so now it's asking for your preference where you're gonna wear it. So I'm gonna wear it on the left wrist, and it's asking for the button position. Let's do that on the right side of the screen. It's asking if you want to always on display, which means that it will be on at all times. Get help in an emergency. If you ever need help, press the home button on the watch 5 times to complete the emergency services. Track your activity, understand your heart rate, take your running to a new level, get notified. And we have another update, ladies and gentlemen. The updates are galore when it comes to this setup process. Let's see if we could just run it through this time. If you guys are still here with me, hit that like button. And now we are here to the final edge. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, not the classic, 44 millimeter. Really a nice size watch. 47 might be overkilling it, but this watch that I have right here, this is, I think this one is 47 or might be 40, just about the same, but really nice looking watch. And as you guys can see, if you guys never had a Galaxy watch, this is the app that it will have. It'll tell you a whole bunch of stuff. Find My Watch, tiles, quick panels, and you can adjust the look of your watch. Now this is why I actually wanted to set it up, because I wanted to see how the actual watch looks, my first impressions of it. So it's still starting up, so I guess we're gonna have to come back one more time till this finally loads up. Take a tour of your watch. Let's hit skip. Let's see exactly what we're missing out here. Orange means that you have a notification, and if you guys are familiar with the Android system, this is very similar, so I will be checking out. You got these bright colors, really bright, and it's actually coming out on camera very well. The screen looks really nice. There's no notch, and I think it's the perfect size. I'm really digging this watch. Definitely liking the silver accents. But if you guys want to pick up this watch, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.